You literally cannot see anything. Nothing. Even the freeway, see? You can't see the freeway. We're on a normal day. Even the yacht club, you cannot see anything. I'm not even gonna bother to open the door. The wind might take the door out and me.
I don't like that.
He's coming this way. Sorry, man. He's coming this way.
Okay, so this is on this side of the building. And the water's seeping in. I think I need to report this. It was worse the first time. So I'll see what it's like up close and personal downstairs. From level 7 down to ground floor. Here we go. Not that bad. So this is after the rain and the strong wind. You can see the difference. Much clearer. You can even see the freeway this time around from up here. Gray clouds in the sky. But definitely much better now.